Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad vegan. Start with the right potatoes, like Yukon Gold or red varieties, for a firm texture that holds up well. Boil them until they are perfectly fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on their size. After cooking, it's crucial to let your potatoes cool down completely. This step prevents the salad from becoming mushy and allows the flavors to meld beautifully. The heart of any great potato salad is its dressing, and for a vegan version, we'll use a delicious plant-based mayonnaise. To this, incorporate a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of maple syrup for a hint of sweetness. Finish by seasoning with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of celery seed for classic flavor. Now, let's elevate the flavor and texture with some fantastic add-ins. Finely dice about half a cup of red onion and 1 cup of celery to provide a wonderful crunch. Fresh herbs are key. Chop 2 tablespoons of fresh dill and 1 tablespoon of chives for a vibrant, fresh taste. For an extra layer of briny complexity, stir in 1 tablespoon of capers. Once your potatoes are cool and your dressing is ready, it's time to bring it all together. Gently combine the cooked potatoes with the creamy vegan dressing, ensuring every piece is coated. Then, carefully fold in all your diced vegetables and fresh herbs until everything is evenly distributed. For the best flavor, chill the potato salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.